Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding the death screen to our game. For the screen right here, click on this canvas. Let's create an empty game object by the name of death screen, of course, and then in here we will create a UI panel. Select this panel, hold the alt button and click on this so that it is fully stretched. Okay, then what we're gonna do, we will move this right here and right here as well. Make sure that it covers the whole screen like this. Okay, then change its color to fully black. Make the alpha value as 255, which is the full value. Then after the panel inside the touch screen, let's create a UI legacy text. This will be the dead text. In here simply type "you died." Let's select the font. Okay, let me click on this right here. Okay, so now move this to center like this. Change the font size to 50. Now let's increase this to these three grids like this. Okay, we can increase it to now 70, and then we need to make this bold. Color will be red color, for example, like this. And that is it for our death screen. Okay, now let me tell you how we will be showing this death screen. So whenever the player dies, we will slowly increase the alpha values of this death screen like this, and also the alpha value of this died as well. Okay, like this. Okay, the transition will be like this slowly. Okay, so in order to do that, we will be needing to create a different script for our death screen. Okay, if you want, you can also enable and disable the death screen like this, but that is really basic, and in this game we want to do something different. Okay, so that's why I've choose to do that. Okay, so before creating the script, let's make the alpha value as 0 for the panel, and right here for the death screen as well. Then what we're gonna do, inside our scripts folder, let's create a C# script by the name of death screen. Click on death screen, drag and drop this script. Okay, now let's open this up, remove that, save the script, get back right here. Let me click on death screen. Okay, it is attached. Now what we're gonna do, we will be needing the reference to our panel and then our text. Okay, but before doing anything, let me click on the scene view, select this panel right here. Okay, let me delete this panel, and instead of the panel we can add an image like this. Let's move this image up there, set its color to black. Okay, then select the rect transform, press the alt button, click on this so that it stretches around all of the screen. And now let's move it up here in all of the directions. Okay, let's test the text. How does it looks now? Okay, it looks the same. So now let's decrease the alpha value for the text and for the image as well. That is it. Okay, now let's add a reference to that image. So I will say public image, then target image, add semicolon at the end, and at the top make sure that you add using Unity engine.ui. Okay, then we need a reference to our text as well, so we will say target text. After this we want to set the time for the duration. Okay, as I told you, the alpha value will go from 0 to 244, or you can say the fullest value. Okay, so we will set a duration for that in order to make that go from 0 to the fullest value in how many seconds. Okay, so create our duration float and we will set this to 5. Okay, after this we need a bool in order to check if the death screen is showing or not. By default this will be false. Then we will create a private float by the name of target alpha. The target alpha will be 1. Then we need the start alpha. The start alpha will be as it is, and then create a float. This will be equals to 0. Okay, the elapsed time will be 0. Now what we're gonna do now is in the start method we will first of all get the starting alpha value of the image and text. So we will say start alpha equals to target image dot color dot a. Okay, then after this what we will do, we will create an update method, and in the update method we will first of all check if the show that screen is true. Then when it is true we will first of all check if the elapsed time is less than the duration. Okay, if that is the case, then we will calculate the new alpha value. So in order to do that, create a float by the name of new alpha, which will be equals to mathf dot lerp. In here pass the start alpha, then the target alpha, then the elapsed time, and then we will divide that by the duration. After this we will now apply this new alpha value to the image color. So we will create a new color. This will be equals to target image dot color, then the new color dot alpha value will be equals to the new alpha. Okay, and also we will apply that to our target image color. So target image dot color equals to new color. Okay, after this now we will apply this new alpha value to the text color. Okay, right here we did it for our image, and now to the color. Okay, the text color. So what we can do, we will simply say color new text alpha equals to target text dot color new text alpha dot a equals to new alpha, then target text dot color will be equals to new text alpha. Okay, now after this let's update the elapsed time. So elapsed time plus equals to time dot delta time. Okay, after this we will say else if the elapsed time is not less than the duration time, then it means the player has died and the dead screen is showing. So we will just simply stop the game. So time dot time scale equals to 0. Okay, if we save the script, get back to Unity. Now let's click on that screen. Let's attach the image and then the text. Okay, then before testing it, you know that this show that screen should be equals to true in order to show it. So open up the player movement script and at the top right here add a reference to the dead screen script. Okay, then scroll down right here, we need to now show the dead screen. Okay, so right here I will say dead screen dot show dead screen equals to true. Okay, so now this show dead screen will be equals to true when the player dies. Now if we click on player, drag and drop the dead screen script, you can just simply drag and drop the dead screen and it will automatically select the script. Let's play the game and let's test it out. How does it looks? Alright, let's go ahead and take damage from the zombie. So here are they now attacking me. When the player dies, you will notice the death screen. As you can see, it shows you died and then the game simply stop. Okay, if I show you the scene view, let's get out of 2D mode, double click on the player. As you can see, the game is stopped. Okay, after showing the death screen in a beautiful way. So in this way, you can achieve this death screen effect as well. Now with our death screen added, let's end this video right here.